guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a velocity in CapCut with only one click. So here I've already imported a video and I want to make a velocity edit with this video. So you can actually just click on the video and then go to the style options, and in here swipe through the menu or the options until you find the auto velocity. Okay, this one, just click on this option and wait for CapCut to generate the auto velocity for this video. Okay, so in here this will be the result. You can see the auto velocity edit will be created just like that, but you can always adjust it furthermore. You can adjust the interval between 2 beats, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.